what we need to do better. Acquisition's point.
The communication has been very, very good. Nobody has panicked. It was just a matter of, well, we're going to need to leave. A lot of people left yesterday morning before the actual evacuation order came.
It's kind of surreal up there right now. We've got lots of smoke in the air, and that's not new, but we've got the droning engines of water bombers flying overhead.
Quite scary because with the smoke, of course, it's actually lightened up a little bit, but the smoke was very, very thick this morning. And so, I mean, it's not a good situation, that's for sure.
Just before I left to go to the airport today, another community was evacuated, Kikisa. I've never seen anything like it, and I've never heard anyone speculate that in my lifetime something like this would happen.
Put it there. Yeah,